Sir, PPCRB is willing daw to work hand-in-hand with NAMFREL. So, ano po ang balak niyo, ang susunod na step nito?
Kung they are willing, we ask them to sign the joint manifestation which we have to submit to COMELEC, which they have not up to now signed. There was an agreement reached on January 30th, and up to now they have not signed it. They prepared a different manifestation, which is different from what was agreed upon in January 30th. So I cannot understand.
But sir, with or without COMELEC's accreditation, will NAMFREL still be active?
Yes, we will, with or without credit, because we cannot let the NAMFREL spirit die. Especially this is a very crucial election. We will be there. We will not get any of the ERs, so making it more challenging for us. But we will not allow that to daunt us. The audit is very critical because that's the only safeguard left. There are the other safeguards that were provided for have been taken out, and we want to be able to verify the results. Okay. And you can do that only through that audit. Because no matter what you do, I mean, the machines, okay, the source code is another. But, the source code, at this point, unfortunately, is going to be very difficult to make a credible review because of the limited time left. We hope SISTES did a good job in reviewing that source code. This is an international accredited laboratory, and we just have to assume that they did a good test. But ideally, the parties should have been given more time to review this source code. Now, we ask SISTES, or we ask COMELEC, to publish the results of the test by SISTES. As Mr. Magbual said earlier, in other countries, they publish it. Why is COMELEC not publishing it?
Sakasakali, halimbawa, meron ng manombrahan na winner. Right? Lumabas sa parallel count ninyo. Mukhang hindi siya nanalo. Kahit sino pa yung naiproklama, ilalabas niyo pa rin yung parallel count?
Resulta? Kaya ginagawa natin yan, di ba? Di ba? Ngayon, bahala na ang tao kung ano sasunod nila. Kung sabihin nila, ito ang winner, based on yung document nila. Pero yung documents namin, pareho din. Pero iba yung, di ba, gaya ng 1986, sabi nila, si Marcos na nanalo. Based on our count, it was Cory Aquino. Di ba, tinabas namin. Kaya di ba, nag-walk out yung mga dun sa PICC.